What's up, everybody? I'm back. One Man Body Shop. I'm just working on my roof. Take you on in. I got a couple skim coats on there. I'm gonna sand that down and get that flat as possible. Right here where the vice grip's at, I gotta tap 2 self-tapping screws right here. Cause when I cut the roof, the glue on the support, I bent that up and it separated. And so now this right here is like a little hump. And it's the same right here as well, support right here. So what I'm gonna do, put 2 self-tappings right here on that bar to pull that down snug. As you can see the little hump from here. You can see the little hump right there. That's the hump that I'm gonna take out. Yep, that's how that's looking. And the drip rail, I'm fine tuning my drip rail in as well. Give you a close-up look on that. Give you a close-up on the drip rail. Just fine tuning it. It don't have to be perfect because I'm gonna put some Landau foam on top and then contour the Landau foam to the body of the roof. All right, I'm back. That's the top. My top came in, my sliding rag top from Legacy, as you see. I'm gonna finish up my roof. Once I finish up my roof, I'm gonna test fit this in. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I'm gonna catch you on the next one. One Man Body Shop.